tresses, 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 inches, anyways, so look at this natural state compared to this curled state. Loving it. Okay, you can't tell me nothing. Okay, so this is hair from Lazuor Human Hair Company, and this company is in Inglewood, California. You can go on down and fill your tresses before you buy this. Hair is good at the end of the day. So I do have a couple of wigs from this company. I have three or four other wigs that, you know, they're all hair from this company from dating about 5 years back. Their hair is that good. Okay, so this hair, this is my birthday hair. I sent it out to a colorist to get dyed and fried and bleached and all of that, and shout outs to Cecilia, thank you. This hair has been fried and dyed but never tried, as you can clearly see. Like, it's beautiful, and I have conditioner in it right now because I am going to take you guys through how I did my hair, but I wanted you guys to see the curls on one side that I made with the curling wand and then the natural state. This is really good hair. I'm actually going through my curls because I've had these in from the 7th to today, so that's about 5 days. I've had this hair in and I have not combed it out, not once. My curls have been luxury. Like, I've had this up in a ponytail because this is of course a 360, but yeah, this hair is fucking beautiful. So that's pretty much all I have to say for it. You can kind of tell that I've had it in all types of fuckery for the past 5 days, and you know, it's all good because at the end of the day, this is what it's going to return back to, and then whenever I'm feeling fine and feeling all of that, I'm going to just, you know, going back. So yes, if you want to see how I treat my hair, then keep on watching. Okay, so you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first product I'm going to be using is Mane and Tail Moisturizer Texturizer Conditioner for thick and healthier looking hair, and it looks like this. You can get this pretty much from anywhere, honestly. I think I've seen some Walmarts, Targets, Walgreens, everywhere. This was $8.99 at my local beauty supply. Our next conditioner is Mill Creek's Botanicals. It's a jojoba conditioner, and I like this one. I feel like I use the second because I feel like it's more nourishing and moisturizing at the end of the day, and it leaves my hair like feeling really soft. So what you're gonna need today is pretty much your conditioner, wet brush. So I use this at the very end. I don't play with my tresses because I actually want to keep them very healthy. So I take my hand, let me just show y'all. Let me just show y'all. I'm just playing. Okay, so let me show you guys how I do this. So I'm just gonna take water and I am gonna slowly comb through my tresses and take out all the knots, because I don't want to comb through my hair because of the fact that it's been a couple days. So I like to take my hand and I like to comb through. Well, let me actually part this because it's not nobody got time. Because if I do this with a comb, I just feel like it's gonna take so many inches and nobody got time for that. So we want our hair to stay healthy and we want longevity. We want our wigs for years, not just for the month or for half the year. Back to what I was doing before I was rudely interrupted. So again, let's put some up here because there's nothing. You guys, when I tell you these 360s have saved my life, chilling with my ponytail and not having to worry about a track showing. Look at this, my hair. Oh, this is just it with water. See, this is with conditioner, and even after the conditioner, it's gonna still look like that. Okay, so now that you pretty much fingered the crap out of your hair, we're just gonna like try to put as much water into it right now. And then we're gonna re-up is definitely needed. I like to put my conditioner in first before I go in with the comb because, again, you don't want your hair to break all the way out. So why not put something that's gonna make it soft into it, you know? Then we're gonna go through. You see how easy it is? Like, okay, so you guys, tell me how you guys feel about this color on me because I'm loving it. Okay, so it's coming back. You guys are gonna actually see before your eyes how it come back to life. I know you're excited. I know you're excited. Don't say I haven't showed you anything. I don't even think y'all was able to even catch it, but look at this hair. You guys, tell me this isn't bomb. Like, look at it. Mind you, it's been fried and dyed. Does that look tried? No, not at all. Yeah, let's go through the rest of the hair. I'll be right back when I am done with the back of my hair so we can get into hair talk, or shall I say wig talk, or shall I say tresses talk. I don't know, comment down below what you guys want me to call it. I don't know. I like tresses because it sounds more upscale than just like weave or hair, you know? So maybe, I don't know. Comment down below and let me know what you guys want me to call it. Weave talk, tresses talk, hair talk, wig talk, which one? Woo. I really feel like dunking my head under, but I'm not even gonna do that. But what I can do is I can just wet this part. Okay, so you guys, this may seem like a lot of hair, but you guys don't realize that I literally haven't combed my hair in 5 days. And these were the nappy kinks that I was unable to pull with my hands as I was combing through them with my hands. So that's actually pretty fucking good, especially since my hair is bleached. Okay, so yeah, that's not that bad. And that's pretty much because of the fact that I combed through my hair with my hands at first. So this is what it looked like. Ooh, my hair is so bomb. I don't know how you guys feel, but this is how, so pretty much I don't necessarily like rinse this out and go to the next one. I kind of mix them together. I use the first one as the base, but look at this, look how soft. Oh my god, oh my god. So we're gonna actually put water back on through the tresses, and we're gonna add especially up here in the front because of the fact that let it actually penetrate every piece and strand of hair within your head. And as you let it sit, you will begin to realize just how amazing this hair is. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have this for a couple of years because I genuinely take care of my hair. So these are investments. Discussion of hair. You guys are gonna see in another clip, my hair was long curled for 5 days. Only thing I had on my hair for 5 days was heat protectant, and it pretty much helped to keep my hair lit for those 5 days. But other than that, my hair got a little matted, so I felt like it was time for me to wash it out. And I wanted to show you guys, this is my first time, by the way. I wanted to show you guys pretty much how the curl patterns is for their curly hair, and how you can literally either straighten it out, because I did flat iron it before I took it to the colorist. I flat ironed it so that she wouldn't have a hard time, you know, letting the color sit in and letting them actually bleach or whatever. So yeah, this is the curl pattern once it was wet, and I added conditioner. And in another clip you will see how it looked long curled. Oh my god, this hair is beautiful each way, you know, it doesn't matter, it's fucking beautiful. Okay, and you guys, Lazuor is located near Manchester and La Brea here in Inglewood, California, so it's right in the middle of the city for, you know, everybody's needs and wants. And I am about to wash this hair out because it feels pretty much ready to go, and I will be back with you guys. And you guys know how to wash hair out. I'm not gonna do it right for you guys because it's gonna get a little messy. I got a sweater on. I don't know how this gonna work out. The back of my wig ain't down, so you know I ain't about to let it flip on y'all. I only put the front down, you know. So pretty much, yes. Okay, so she's all dry. I didn't make as big of a mess as I thought I would, thank God, because I wouldn't have enjoyed cleaning that up. So I am taking a cotton towel. I keep it 100% cotton because it's not gonna mess up my hair. I don't know, I just feel like any kind of other towel that I've ever used have kind of messed up my tresses. So just make sure you dry your hair. This is how I dry my hair. If it's not what is it called? Y'all, I am on camera with no makeup. Okay, so, oh my god, look how pretty this hair is. Okay, you guys, confession here, I've never had their curly hair, so this is like exciting my whole freaking life. Look at how pretty this is. And guys, this hair been looking like it's growing from my scalp, honey. So you never want to blow dry your tresses, and that's one. If I don't have any other tips for you guys, this is the one tip that I will have for you guys. Like, never blow dry your tresses. Like, if you are in a rush, like, you need more time management, because if you blow dry your tresses, it pretty much stiffens them out. Or that's just how I feel about the get down. With the curly hair, I'm not gonna even play those games, because I think curly hair is a more prone to breakage, and we're gonna let that dry. And as it's drying, let me get one more thing for you guys, my secret, and it makes my hair smell amazing. Okay, so this has been pretty much something that I've been using on my natural hair, as well as my eyebrows, as well as just my wigs and weaves. So for this to be curly, I know that it has to be moisturized. So this is one of my tricks that I use in order to wash me out, bring me back, wash me out, bring me back. Anyway, so it's this Jamaican mango and lime island oil. It lubricates your scalp and nourishes your roots and strengthens your locks. Yeah, that do sound like something that does not belong in weave hair, but it's pretty much, it's a really good oil. And I used this on my wig when I first got it back from getting bleached, and I feel like it made my hair that much like better, and it smells fucking amazing. It smells like mango and lime. So pretty much gonna you're pretty much gonna do that, and you want to add it just, I honestly have been adding it just to the bottoms of my hair because of the fact that it's bleach. Shout outs to Cecilia if I haven't shouted her out yet. Thank you, girl. I'll see you soon. So oh my god, it smells so good, you guys. You gotta get this product, especially if you want your natural hair to smell really amazing. If you want your hair to smell good under those bundles, you need this. Like, let's get all up in there. I like to kind of do that for the top part, which is pretty much nothing left in my hand. But yeah, I did that. And then from here you let it air dry, and I will show you guys what it looked air dried after it's air dried. Do the bundle dance, do the bundle dance, do the bundle dance, hey, do the bundle dance, hey, do the bundle dance. Yeah. The hair is just so good that you really don't have to really do anything. It's so effortless to take care of it. That's what I love about this company. I hope you guys like my content. I hope I am teaching you guys a thing or two about how I keep up with my wigs, because yes, all of my hair that you've ever seen on my Instagram feed or on my Snapchat, they're all wigs. I don't like anything sewn down because at the end of the day my hair is breaking off. I don't got time for that. I've been flourishing through these eyebrows, my hair underneath these bundles, everything. So I want to keep that up. Anyway, so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how you guys feel about my content and what you guys want to see me do. And yes, don't forget to add me on all of my social medias. Instagram is Everybody Love Jen. On Snapchat is Urbajen. But yeah, this is proof. Mind you, it's fried and dyed, but never tried. But yeah, this is it. Hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys for another video.